Hello Bulldogs, I'm James Clark, President, South Carolina State University. Welcome to the new improved Washington Dining Hall, also known as the CAV. We'd like to show you today some of the improvements that have been made over the last few months here in the dining hall, the improvements in the facility itself, the improvements in the food choices, and a whole lot of other things that we've done to make it be a most pleasurable event when you come back in the spring. We'll also later show you some things that we've done over at the pit. We're quite sure that you will enjoy it. Along with the significant enhancements that we made to the facility here to improve your dining pleasure and experiences, we are making significant improvements in the food choices that are available to you. Locally sourced food choices, leafy vegetables that are grown right here by South Carolina farmers. A variety of choices that are a bit more healthy than even before. Choices that you've told us that you wanted to make sure that we had available to you. Choices of vegetables, choices of salads, choices of soups, all of these improvements that you'll see in your new up-and-coming, this spring, Washington Dining Hall experience. Another area of focus for us will be on sustainability. And by that we include things like local suppliers supplying the foods that we have. Dairy products, we will try to make sure that we get them from local dairies, 100% cage-free eggs, trayless dining to save on fuel costs and energy costs. Now we're also committed to 100% sustainable fish and seafood while we're sourcing that. We're going to take this even to the level of the fryer oil that we use, recycling that such that it can be used as a biofuel. And another option that we'll be offering is vegan and vegetarian choices for those who have made the commitment to that food choice style. We'll focus on stopping hunger with food drives, and we'll do that with a local food bank. We'll be buying condiments in bulk to save on packaging and waste. This is all part of the focus that we have coming forth this spring. And as you can see, we have significantly stepped up our game when it comes to the entrees. Healthy choices, quality choices, choices that you've told us that you wanted, we will have them. And if you take a look, we will let the food speak for itself. And let me not forget to add that we will have healthy choices in hot sandwiches, pizzas, and flatbreads. As you can see here, very delicious options are going to be available for you as soon as you come back in the spring. As a matter of fact, I wish I could have a slice of this right now. Oh, and one other thing that we're doing to enhance your dining experience here in the Washington Dining Hall, the new improved Bulldog Dining, is new dinnerware and new cutlery. And we are confident when you see the new dinnerware and cutlery in the spring that you will be most pleased with our choices. I know where I will be doing my dining, so come join me this spring at the Washington Dining Hall for a new, improved Bulldog Dining experience.